6. Surprisingly reliable electric cars that outperform their price tags. Imagine driving without worrying about gas prices. Electric vehicles are changing the game, offering features that rival conventional cars while being kinder to the planet. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. Here are 6 electric vehicles that combine affordability, reliability, and impressive features, redefining the driving experience from sleek sedans to versatile SUVs. One, Ford F-150 Lightning. Starting at $54,995, the Ford F-150 Lightning merges the toughness of the traditional F-150 with electric innovation. Its exterior features a distinctive front light bar and a sleek design that remains recognizably F-150. The interior boasts a 12-inch touchscreen with an optional 15.5-inch upgrade and maintains the classic F-150 character. The Lightning offers 2 battery options. Standard 98 kW pack, 452 horsepower, 240-mile range. Extended 131 kW pack, 580 horsepower, 320-mile range. With efficiency ratings of 2.04, 2.08 miles per kilowatt, the Lightning delivers substantial power without sacrificing efficiency. It also features a heat pump system for enhanced energy efficiency and provides a smooth, quiet ride more akin to a crossover SUV. 2. Kia EV6. Priced at $42,500, the Kia EV6 stands out with its sleek, sporty design and remarkable efficiency. Its aerodynamic crossover body features a longer, lower roofline reminiscent of a European sport wagon. Performance options include base model, 167 horsepower, single motor, 225 horsepower, 258 lb-ft torque, dual motor, 320 horsepower, 446 lb-ft torque, 0-60 mph in 5.1 seconds. The EV6 excels in efficiency, offering up to 310 miles of range and nearly 3.6 miles per kilowatt in rear-wheel drive versions. Its 800-volt architecture ensures fast charging, making it a practical choice for daily use. 3. Ford Mustang Mach-E. Starting at $39,995, the Ford Mustang Mach-E combines Mustang heritage with electric modernity. Its coupe-like shape and athletic styling earn high marks for design. The interior features a 15.5-inch vertical touchscreen and a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster. The Mach-E offers various configurations: 72 kWh battery, 264 horsepower, RWD, 91 kWh battery, 290 horsepower, RWD, up to 365 horsepower and 428 lb-ft torque, AWD. With a range of up to 320 miles and efficiency exceeding 3.0 miles per kilowatt in popular versions, the Mach-E balances style, performance, and practicality. 4. Nissan Ariya. The Nissan Ariya, priced at $39,500, impresses with its design, efficiency, and technology. Its exterior features a wide front with a V-shaped grille, while the interior offers an elegant, serene atmosphere with wood accents and 12.3-inch screens. The Ariya comes in single and dual motor versions. Single motor, 214, 238 horsepower, 221 lb-ft torque. Dual motor, 335, 389 horsepower, 442 lb-ft torque. Efficiency approaches 3.0 miles per kilowatt in most models, with a range of up to 304 miles, allowing a 20-80% charge in about 40 minutes. 5. Hyundai Ioniq 6. Priced at $37,500, the Hyundai Ioniq 6 stands out with its aerodynamic design, boasting a drag coefficient of just 0.22. The interior features a pixelated theme with a clean, serene design. Performance options include base model, 149 horsepower, 239-mile range. Dual motor, 320 horsepower, 446 lb-ft torque. The Ioniq 6 excels in efficiency, offering up to 361 miles of range and 4.2 miles per kilowatt in some configurations. It aims to compete directly with the Tesla Model 3, offering a more comfortable ride and intuitive controls. 6. Tesla Model Y. Starting at $42,900, The Tesla Model Y tops the list as a best-selling electric car. Its minimalist interior features a 15-inch touchscreen controlling most functions. The Model Y offers impressive performance. Long range, 0 to 60 mph in 4.8 seconds. Performance, 0 to 60 mph in 3.5 seconds. With a range of 310 miles and efficiency exceeding 3.0 miles per kilowatt across all models, the Model Y combines performance and practicality. However, it's worth noting its firm ride and potentially distracting controls. These 6 electric vehicles demonstrate the maturity of the EV market, offering options that cater to various needs and preferences. They prove that electric cars can be practical, exciting, and worth considering for your next vehicle purchase. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.